Hi, I'm Bharti. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. CBSE clarifies genuineness of Class 12 Mathematics question paper held on 9th March 2026 after QR code printed on some sets redirected to a YouTube video. Amid concerns over the veracity of the paper, official circular says the QR code is a security feature used to verify authenticity in case of suspected security breach, confirms question paper's integrity remains uncompromised, and assures steps will be taken to prevent similar incidents in the future. CBSE postpones Class 12 board examinations scheduled from 12th March to 16th March 2026 across Middle East countries including Bahrain, Iran, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia and the UAE, citing regional unrest, student anxiety and prevailing uncertainties. Fresh dates to be announced later, and the situation will be reviewed on 14th March before deciding on the remaining exams from 16th March onwards. Education Minister concludes Ministry of Education's post-budget webinar, inaugurated by PM, highlighting key initiatives including the Education to Employment and Enterprise Standing Committee, AVGC Content Creator Labs, 5 university townships, girls' hostels in every district for STEM institutions, Divyang Kaushal Yojana, and a national telescope scheme to strengthen India's education, skilling, and research ecosystem aligned with NEP 2020. NCERT issues public apology and withdraws Class 8 Social Science textbook Exploring Society, India and Beyond, Part 2, over Chapter 4 titled The Role of Judiciary in Our Society, with the director and members tendering an unconditional and unqualified apology and confirming the entire book has been removed from circulation and is not available. UPSC releases final marks of 958 recommended candidates for the Civil Services Examination 2025 on its official website, publishing mains and personality test scores along with roll numbers, names and categories. Schools reopen across the Kashmir Valley after week-long closure due to protests and security restrictions triggered by the killing of Iran's supreme leader, with authorities restoring normal academic activities across educational institutions. The National Institute of Open Schooling releases hall tickets for Class 10 and 12 practical exams of the April 2026 session, allowing students to download admit cards from sdmis.nios.ac.in. Practical exams are scheduled from 17th March to 1st April 2026, while theory exam hall tickets to be issued later. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.